May binibenta tayong lot dito. So from here, 596 square meters. Yung likod niya, naka-refrap na rin siya, no? Hindi na lalagyan yung pinaka-back ng mga bahay. Yan. Pababa siya. Katulad din ng kapitbahay. Ayan sila owner. Property line from there.
Tapos all the way lampas. Yung posting yan, ano, deep, yan ang driveway sa plano.
Okay.
Yan, dulo eh. Meron yung multo eh. Yan lang, natabunan na.
Hinahanap lang yung muhon.
Oh, I think up to dito.
Okay. Malaki.
Oo, malaki. Wide yung ano.
From the north to the south, we're building dreams. Hungry estate.
There you go. Angelo Geronimo, licensed real estate broker. Iwan ko na lang yung number ko dyan.
Where the skies
So ito
white.
yung natin.
Diamond Heights where the stars align. East to the west, we've got it all. House and lots or a condo call. Farms that breathe and spaces that shine. Hombre Estate.